Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry banana bread. So first you're going to grease your pan. Okay, now let's mix our dry ingredients. First you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Loaf. And then add half teaspoon of baking soda. So that's 1. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then just mix until combined. Okay, let this is fine. Now we're going to pour our melted butter. Then you are going to pour your mashed up bananas. Then add honey. Okay, now let's crack 2 eggs. Next, we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add 1 tablespoon of flour from the dry ingredients to the blueberry. Okay, now it's time to pour our mixture. Then mix until combined. Now add 190 grams of blueberry. Mix until all combined, but don't overmix. Okay, now it's time to pour it. If you want. Oh no, it's heavy. I need help. You're going to clean up in the oven. Okay, Mom, can you help me put it in the oven? Let's try our banana bread.
Is it yummy, Kelly?
Yeah. Delicious. Super delicious with bread. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I'm Bye.